The story of the two brothers and the moonlight. In a small village, two brothers, Jack and Alex, lived in a small cottage. One night, they stumbled upon a magical moonlight that granted wishes. The brothers were overjoyed and wished for wealth and riches. The next morning, they woke up to find their cottage transformed into a grand mansion filled with gold and jewels. But to their surprise, Moonlight had also created a duplicate mansion next door, identical in every way. Confused, they asked the Moonlight why it had done this. The Moonlight replied, "Your wishes were granted, but remember, true happiness lies not in material wealth, but in love and connection you share with others." The brothers realized that they had become so consumed by their desires that they had forgotten the importance of their relationship. They decided to merge their mansions, creating a single grand home, symbolizing their reunited bond. From that day on, they lived together, sharing their wealth and their lives, learning that true riches come from the love and connection we share with others. Moral of the story: wealth and material possessions may bring temporary happiness, but true fulfillment comes from nurturing relationships and communications with others.